Hello there, friends. Welcome to this cozy Christmas tale. Come closer, children, listen gently, the story sails. Bluey woke early, her heart filled with holiday cheer. The house sparkled bright, Christmas magic was near. Bingo giggled softly, stockings hung neat and tall. Dad whispered kindly, Santa will visit us all. The tree shimmered warmly, lights twinkled like tiny stars. Can you imagine that glow, brighter than cars? Suddenly bells jingled, echoing across the sky. Who could it be, soaring gently by? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so you never miss Bluey's adventure. Bluey gasped loudly, reindeer hooves tapped the ground. Santa appeared smiling, laughter swirling around. Hello dear pups, Santa chuckled, shall we dance tonight? Bluey barked happily, her eyes shining bright. Music began softly, then rose with cheer. The family clapped gently, joy drawing near. Bluey twirled quickly, her paws moving fast. Santa spun gently, the magic would last. Bingo joined in, her tail wagging wide. Dad joined laughing, with Mom by his side. Can you imagine the laughter, ringing so wonderful? The rhythm of Christmas, steady and full. Snowflakes drifted slowly, though summer was near. Magic made snow, soft crystals appear. Bluey leapt higher, her paws brushed the light. Santa clapped loudly, what a marvelous sight! The music grew softer, stars danced overhead. Bluey felt warmth, no fear or dread. Santa, she whispered, thank you for joy. He nodded gently, you're a brave little toy. But wait, dear friends, is the story done? Or does more magic rise with fun? The reindeer neighed sweetly, shaking snowy flakes. Santa chuckled softly, one last dance it takes. Bluey spun slowly, her eyes closed tight. She dreamed of Christmas, glowing so bright. Santa waved kindly, his sleigh glowing red. Bluey whispered softly, good night, to bed. The house felt cozy, with warmth all around. Christmas joy lingered, a comforting sound. Bingo snuggled deeply, the night felt right. Bluey sighed happily, Merry Christmas tonight. Santa's sleigh lifted, bells jingling clear. The stars whispered softly, Christmas is here. Good night, dear listeners. May your dreams shine true. Remember to like and subscribe. Bluey loves you too.